Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to make a picture in 4 parts, similar to the one you can see behind me on the wall. That one has a floral pattern, and this is what it started like. I have drawn with a strong marker the pattern of flowers, and on the back of it I have divided it with the pencil into 4 equal parts. And I'm going to just turn it around so that when it's facing me it's the right way up, and in the bottom right hand corner of each one I'm going to write 1, 2, 3 and 4, because it's amazing when this is finished and you go to put it back together, it can be quite tricky. Now I'm going to cut this on the lines. Put it back together. That's number 2, number 4, that way around. Told you it was tricky. Number 1. There we go with that. Now we're right. Okay, if you're working with a group, you would just hand them a piece each and let people paint with whatever colour they like. If you're doing it yourself, why not take one at a time and just do lots and lots of different colours. When it's put together, you're going to end up with something like that. I'm going to show you how to do the same picture using geometric shapes, using implements that you might have in your home to make the shapes. So I have a glass here, piece of card paper. Just put that there. Get my pen again. Draw around it. Another circle down here. I'm going to go right a little bit outside the edge of it, and I'll put one more over here. Now I have a ruler, which is good. I'm going to put that at an angle there. When you're doing these patterns, try and imagine your 4 lines going that way, and then across, so that some of the patterns overlap the lines. That's quite good. Now we can go here, that one. You don't need anything special for this, just stuff that you have lying around the house. Egg cup, good. Smaller circle, you could overlap them a little bit. Now, you get the general idea. I'm going to show you one now that I started earlier on. It's nearly finished. That there. Now, this is my geometrical pattern shape. So I haven't painted these ones yet, but the other 3 are finished. So I'm just going to paint 1 or 2 of them. Blue, a little bit of green, put green up there towards the yellow to look good, I think. That's the general idea again there. And then you just put it together, stick it up on the wall, and you have an unusual picture with an abstract feel. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you soon again in Maria's Corner. Goodbye.